Hello everyone, this is Dharani from KCS Kasanadar College of Arts and Science. Here we are going to talk about banking and also the full history of banking in India. The word bank is widely and extensively used and circulated. The history regarding the origin of bank even after the 12th century is not also clear, which has been based on guesses. According to some writer, the word bank was derived from the banco, bankers, bank and bank, all of which means a bench upon which the medieval European money lenders and money changers used to display their coins. Next, sources and origin of modern banking. Banking experts passed their opinion that banking system was introduced from the primitive stages of human civilization in some way or other in the world. While reviewing historical background of social, economic and religious activities of ages, the origin of modern banking can be better known. Next, introduction of coins. From the ancient times, coins were introduced in different countries as a medium of exchange. So, the banking system was in vogue for preservation and safety of coins. At the time, excess of residual coins were kept with the religious and local elite person for the purpose of extending help to the needy poor people. Gradually, this becomes a profitable business for the businessmen and the money lenders. Next, different civilization of banking. At different stages of human civilization, many pieces of evidence were recorded for the existence of banks and coins. The archaeological symbols are the evidence of this statement. During Hindu civilization, coins were available in Mohenjo-daro of Pakistan. In Egypt, coins were found in mummy of pyramids. In Bangladesh, coins of the ancient civilization were found at Moyanmati of Komila and Pahapur of Bogra. Expansion of business and trade. Next, the banking has evolved the expansion of business and trade. The main purpose of banking is to expand the business and trade. The expansion of business and trade played a very vital role in the advancement of modern banking because of the fact that in the Middle Age, Indo subcontinent, Middle East and Europe progressed tremendously and thus banking business improved their smooth functioning of the transaction. Next, banking in India. In India, we are following many eras. Like first, we are going to see about the ancient era. Many economists and experts have expressed their opinion that banking business has been going on since ancient era. See here, ancient era. Many pieces of evidence are found with the archaeological symbol of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. From different religious scriptures, we find a lot of information regarding modern business activities. Next, Mughal era. Mughal era, second one is Mughal era. The banking system has been extensively developed during the Mughal era. During that time, government treasury was formed. The government introduced gold and silver coins of different denominations named Ashrafi. Thus, banking system has been developed. During that period, Sheth family was world famous. They used to conduct business through agency house. Among the local bankers, Marwari, Multani, Kabuliwala, Shafar, Chetty, etc., are worth a mention. In the 17th century, English tradesmen were involved with them. In 1700, the Hindustan Bank was established as a joint venture bank. Next, the British era. In British era, the expansion program of the modern bank started when the English took the power of India. In 1784, the Bengal Bank introduced paper currency notes and gold coins of different denomination. First paper currency was introduced by Bengal Bank. Next, later in 1787, General Bank of India. In 1806, Bank of Bengal. In 1840, Bank of Bombay, and in 1843, Bank of Madras were set up. With the merging of three banks, the Imperial Bank of India was established in 1920, and in 1935, the Reserve Bank of India came into the begin. Next, Pakistan era. Pakistan era in 1947, during the separation of India, 639 branches of different banks were the parts of Pakistan. Besides, head offices of Habib Bank Limited and Muslim Commercial Bank Limited were transferred to Karachi. In 1948, the State Bank of Pakistan was established. Next, the Bangladesh era. In Bangladesh era came into begin in 1971. Since then, a branch of State Bank of Pakistan stationed at Dhaka was declared. Central Bank of Bangladesh named as Bangladesh Bank under Special Act. Accepting other banks, head offices of two banks, example Eastern Mercantile Bank Limited 1959 and Eastern Banking Corporation Limited 1965 were at Dhaka. They were renamed as Pabali Bank Limited and Uttara Bank Limited respectively. In this country, 14 crores people, about 57 banks, government banks 4, local private 30, foreign 12, specialized 7 and others 4. Next we are going to